What's up everyone, Brad here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I built this Hillbilly AC.
Alright, this is super easy to build and you don't need much. Get yourself a cooler with a top, found this one used for $10. You'll need a fan, also found this used for $10. Pick up some pipe and fittings from your local hardware store, about $10. And I use this plastic mesh from Home Depot for $15. Total build cost, $45. Full disclosure, I did not come up with this idea. There are a bunch of different designs online, such as the Redneck AC or a swamp cooler. I came up with my own design to hopefully make it a bit more efficient. I went with a 2-level design separated by a plastic mesh, allowing to have ice on the top and the bottom. The idea is that the fan will blow the warm air through the ice, cooling it more efficiently than if there was ice just on the bottom. Cooler air will then be forced out the pipe into the room you're cooling. Alright, let's get into this build and see if this actually works.
that's it. The Hillbilly AC works. I'm actually pretty happy with it. You know, if you're looking to cool down a small room such as a kid's bedroom like this one, and you don't want to spend a bunch of money on an AC system, this is a pretty cool hack. So if you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below. And if you like the video, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you to every single one of you guys that have already subscribed. And we'll see you all in the next video. Ciao.